In a world where the average car payment has skyrocketed past $700 a month and vehicle reliability seems increasingly unpredictable, finding an SUV that will genuinely last forever isn't just smart shopping, it's financial survival. Today, we're diving deep into the 7 SUVs that have earned legendary status for their bulletproof reliability, backed by Consumer Reports' rigorous testing and real-world owner experiences spanning decades. These aren't just vehicles, they're investments that will save you tens of thousands of dollars while delivering the peace of mind that comes with knowing your SUV will start every morning, no matter what. So, buckle up as we explore the champions of the SUV world, the vehicles that laugh in the face of 200,000 miles and keep asking for more. Toyota RAV4. When automotive historians write about the SUVs that defined reliability in the 21st century, the Toyota RAV4 will undoubtedly claim a prominent chapter. This compact SUV has become synonymous with dependability, earning its reputation through decades of consistent performance that has made it a household name in driveways across America and beyond. The RAV4's reliability story begins with Toyota's legendary engineering philosophy that prioritizes durability over flashy features. The RAV4 ranks highest in its segment in vehicle dependability, a distinction that reflects years of meticulous attention to detail in every component. From the robust 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that powers most variants, to the sophisticated all-wheel drive system that has been refined through multiple generations, every element of the RAV4 is designed to withstand the test of time. What sets the RAV4 apart in the reliability conversation is its proven track record in real-world conditions. Owners regularly report trouble-free operation well beyond 200,000 miles, with many examples surpassing 300,000 miles without major mechanical issues. This longevity stems from Toyota's conservative engineering approach, where new technologies are thoroughly tested and proven before implementation. The result is a vehicle that may not always have the latest bells and whistles, but delivers unwavering dependability year after year. The 2025 RAV4 continues this tradition of reliability while offering modern conveniences that today's drivers expect. The hybrid variant in particular has earned praise not just for its impressive fuel economy, but for the durability of its hybrid powertrain. Toyota's hybrid synergy drive technology in the RAV4 hybrid adds to its dependability by reducing wear on the gas engine, creating a symbiotic relationship between electric and gasoline power that actually extends the life of mechanical components. The RAV4's reputation for reliability has created a robust resale market that benefits both buyers and sellers. These SUVs hold their value exceptionally well, often commanding premium prices even with high mileage because buyers understand they're purchasing a vehicle with plenty of life remaining. This strong resale value makes the RAV4 not just a reliable transportation choice, but a wise financial investment. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V stands as a testament to Honda's engineering excellence, representing nearly 3 decades of continuous refinement that has resulted in one of the most dependable SUVs ever created. Since its introduction in 1997, the CR-V has consistently ranked among the most reliable vehicles in its class, earning consumer trust through its ability to deliver trouble-free service for hundreds of thousands of miles. Honda's approach to reliability with the CR-V centers on their philosophy of continuous improvement and rigorous quality control. The CR-V does better, earning a predicted reliability score of 84 out of 100, showcasing how Honda's commitment to dependability translates into measurable results. This impressive reliability rating reflects the CR-V's exceptional build quality and the durability of its core components. The 2025 CR-V benefits from generations of engineering refinement that have eliminated common failure points and optimized every system for longevity. The naturally aspirated and turbocharged engine options both demonstrate Honda's conservative approach to power delivery, prioritizing reliability over maximum performance. This philosophy has resulted in powertrains that routinely exceed 200,000 miles without major repairs, often requiring only routine maintenance to keep running smoothly. One of the CR-V's greatest strengths lies in its interior durability and functionality. Honda has mastered the art of creating cabins that maintain their appeal and functionality long after other vehicles begin showing their age. The seats resist wear, the controls remain responsive, and the overall fit and finish holds up remarkably well to daily use. This attention to interior longevity means that CR-V owners can expect their vehicle to remain pleasant and functional throughout its extended lifespan. The CR-V's hybrid system deserves special recognition for its reliability and efficiency. The CR-V hybrid takes wins in reliability, seat comfort, cargo space, fuel economy, and ride and handling, demonstrating how Honda has successfully integrated hybrid technology without compromising dependability. The hybrid powertrain not only delivers impressive fuel economy, but actually enhances reliability by reducing mechanical stress on the gasoline engine. Service and maintenance costs for the CR-V remain reasonable throughout the vehicle's life, thanks to Honda's extensive dealer network and the widespread availability of parts. The CR-V's popularity has created economies of scale that keep maintenance costs low, while the vehicle's reliability means that major repairs are infrequent. This combination makes the CR-V an exceptionally cost-effective vehicle to own over the long term. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX represents the pinnacle of luxury SUV reliability, combining Lexus's renowned attention to quality with Toyota's proven engineering excellence. Built on the same platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, the GX inherits decades of off-road durability while adding the refinement and luxury that define the Lexus brand. This unique combination has created an SUV that not only lasts forever, but does so in exceptional comfort and style. Lexus, Acura, and BMW make the most reliable luxury SUVs according to Consumer Reports, with the GX leading the charge in the luxury segment. This recognition reflects Lexus's unwavering commitment to quality and their understanding that true luxury means never having to worry about reliability. The GX embodies this philosophy through every aspect of its design and construction. The heart of the GX's legendary reliability lies in its robust V6 and V8 engines, depending on the model year and configuration. These power plants are derived from Toyota's proven designs, engineered for longevity rather than maximum power output. The result is engines that can easily exceed 300,000 miles with proper maintenance, providing decades of reliable service while maintaining their smooth, refined operation. The GX's body-on-frame construction contributes significantly to its durability and longevity. Unlike unibody SUVs that can develop structural issues over time, the GX's robust frame provides a solid foundation that resists wear and maintains structural integrity throughout the vehicle's lifespan. This construction method, combined with extensive corrosion protection, ensures that the GX remains solid and rattle-free even after years of demanding use. Lexus's attention to interior quality in the GX sets it apart from other luxury SUVs. Every surface, control, and component is selected and designed for longevity, with premium materials that age gracefully and maintain their appeal for decades. The leather seats develop character rather than showing wear, while the wood and metal trim pieces retain their luster through years of use. This attention to interior durability means that GX owners can expect their vehicle to remain a pleasant environment throughout its extended lifespan. The GX's reputation for reliability has created an almost cult-like following among owners who understand that they're driving one of the most dependable luxury SUVs ever created. This loyalty is reflected in exceptionally strong resale values that make the GX not just a reliable choice, but a smart financial investment. Many GX owners report minimal depreciation and strong demand when they eventually decide to sell, regardless of mileage. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback occupies a unique position in the SUV market, blending the practicality of a wagon with the capability of an SUV while delivering the reliability that has made Subaru a beloved brand among outdoor enthusiasts and practical drivers alike. Subaru, Mazda, and Ford also have crossovers with high reliability, with the Outback leading Subaru's lineup in terms of dependability and longevity. What makes the Outback special in the reliability conversation is Subaru's commitment to continuous improvement rather than radical redesigns. Each generation of the Outback builds upon lessons learned from previous models, refining problem areas and strengthening components that experience high wear. This evolutionary approach has resulted in a vehicle that becomes more reliable with each iteration while maintaining the core characteristics that have made it successful. The Outback's standard all-wheel drive system is legendary for its durability and effectiveness. Unlike part-time systems that can fail due to complexity, Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive operates continuously, distributing power naturally and reducing stress on individual components. This system has proven its reliability through decades of use in millions of vehicles, providing consistent traction and stability while requiring minimal maintenance throughout its service life. Subaru's boxer engine configuration contributes significantly to the Outback's reliability and longevity. The horizontally opposed design creates a lower center of gravity and reduces vibration, but more importantly for reliability, it allows for more even wear patterns and consistent cooling. These engines are known for their ability to run for hundreds of thousands of miles when properly maintained, with many owners reporting trouble-free operation well beyond 250,000 miles. The Outback's interior is designed with durability in mind, featuring materials and construction methods that resist wear and maintain their functionality over time. Subaru understands that their customers use their vehicles actively, so everything from the seat fabrics to the dashboard materials is chosen for its ability to withstand heavy use while remaining attractive and functional. This attention to interior durability means that high-mileage Outbacks often look and feel much younger than their odometers suggest. The Outback's reputation for reliability has created a strong community of loyal owners who often purchase multiple Outbacks throughout their driving careers. This loyalty is built on years of dependable service that has proven the vehicle's ability to handle everything from daily commuting to cross-country adventures without missing a beat. The strong owner community also means that knowledge and maintenance tips are readily shared, helping all Outback owners maximize their vehicle's reliability and longevity. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 represents Mazda's renaissance in the reliability arena, combining the brand's renewed focus on quality with their signature driving dynamics to create an SUV that not only lasts forever but makes every mile enjoyable. The CX-5 has consistently earned praise from Consumer Reports and other testing organizations for its impressive reliability ratings and long-term durability. Mazda's Sky-Active technology philosophy drives the CX-5's exceptional reliability. Rather than pursuing maximum power or fuel economy, Mazda has optimized every component for efficiency and longevity. The Sky-Active G engines feature high compression ratios and lightweight construction that reduce internal stress while maximizing fuel efficiency. These engines have proven remarkably durable in real-world use, with many owners reporting trouble-free operation well beyond 150,000 miles. The CX-5's transmission deserves special recognition for its reliability and performance. Mazda's 6-speed automatic transmission avoids the complexity and potential reliability issues of continuously variable transmissions, instead utilizing proven technology that provides crisp shifts and long-term durability. The transmission's conservative tuning prioritizes smoothness and longevity over maximum performance, resulting in a drivetrain that maintains its character throughout its service life. Build quality in the CX-5 reflects Mazda's renewed commitment to excellence following their independence from Ford. The attention to detail in assembly and the quality of materials used throughout the vehicle have improved dramatically, resulting in a car that feels solid and well constructed from day one and maintains that impression for years to come. Panel gaps are tight and consistent, interior materials resist wear, and the overall fit and finish rivals luxury vehicles. The CX-5's interior design prioritizes both aesthetics and durability, with materials chosen for their ability to maintain their appearance and functionality over time. The dashboard layout is intuitive and timeless, avoiding trendy designs that quickly become dated. Controls are positioned logically and built to withstand heavy use, while the infotainment system utilizes proven components rather than cutting-edge technology that might fail. The CX-5 has earned a growing reputation among automotive enthusiasts for its combination of reliability and driving pleasure. Unlike some SUVs that prioritize durability at the expense of enjoyment, the CX-5 delivers both, making it a vehicle that owners look forward to driving even after years of ownership. This combination of reliability and enjoyment has created a loyal following that continues to grow as more drivers discover the CX-5's unique character. Chevrolet Tahoe. The Chevrolet Tahoe stands as America's full-size SUV reliability champion, proving that domestic manufacturers can build vehicles that last forever when they focus on proven engineering and conservative design. The Chevrolet Traverse is the most reliable three-row SUV in this slideshow, scoring 88 out of 100 for predicted reliability, demonstrating Chevrolet's commitment to building dependable family vehicles across their SUV lineup. The modern Tahoe's reliability story begins with its robust GMT platform, a body-on-frame design that provides exceptional durability and longevity. This construction method allows the Tahoe to handle heavy-duty use while maintaining structural integrity throughout its lifespan. The frame's robust design and extensive corrosion protection ensure that the Tahoe remains solid and dependable even after years of towing, hauling, and family adventures. General Motors' LS and LT Series V8 engines power the Tahoe with legendary reliability. These engines trace their lineage to some of the most dependable power plants ever created, featuring conservative designs that prioritize longevity over maximum power output. The result is engines that routinely exceed 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, providing decades of reliable service while maintaining their smooth, torquey characteristics. The Tahoe's transmission technology has evolved significantly in recent years, with the latest 10-speed automatic providing both improved efficiency and enhanced durability. General Motors has extensively tested this transmission across their truck and SUV lineup, ensuring that it meets their stringent reliability standards before implementation in the Tahoe. The transmission's multiple gears allow the engine to operate in its most efficient range, reducing stress and extending service life. Interior durability in the Tahoe reflects Chevrolet's understanding that these vehicles are used heavily by families and commercial operators. Materials are chosen for their ability to withstand constant use while maintaining their appearance and functionality. The seats are designed to resist wear and provide comfortable support throughout the vehicle's lifespan, while controls and switches are built to operate reliably despite frequent use. The Tahoe's towing and hauling capabilities are matched by the durability of its drivetrain and suspension components. The vehicle is engineered to handle heavy loads without experiencing premature wear or failure, making it a reliable choice for buyers who need genuine utility from their SUV. This capability, combined with the Tahoe's proven reliability, has made it a favorite among commercial users who depend on their vehicles for their livelihood. These 7 SUVs represent the pinnacle of automotive reliability, each earning their place through decades of proven performance and owner satisfaction. From the compact efficiency of the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V to the luxury reliability of the Lexus GX, and from the unique capability of the Subaru Outback to the American strength of the Chevrolet Tahoe and Ford Expedition. With the driving pleasure of the Mazda CX-5, these vehicles demonstrate that choosing the right SUV can provide decades of dependable service. Whether you prioritize fuel efficiency, luxury, capability, or value, one of these 7 SUVs will serve you faithfully for decades to come, making them not just smart purchases, but investments in your automotive future. The road ahead may be uncertain, but with one of these reliable companions, you can face it with confidence knowing your SUV will be ready for whatever comes next.